Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Studio Analytics not updating. So it's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, what you have to do is you have to open the YouTube Studio application. So you can see mine. So you can see mine watch time here. So you have to know that it will take time to manage your watch time. I am in analytics section, and if I slide here, you can see my watch time here, and you can see it will showing me last 28 days of my watch time. So what you can do is you can tap on it, and if you go for 365 days, it will show you all the watch. And now as you can see, it is showing me 365 days watch time. So maybe you have selected 28 days, 90 days, so just select 365 days and you will get your watch time updated. So you have to wait. It will take 72 hours to update your watch time. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.